Lightning, how do you keep your focus racing against Bobby and Cal?
I mean, I think the key is we respect each other. These guys are real class acts.
Congratulations, Cupcake!
Oh, they are gonna pay.
Great win today, Cal.
Thank you, Shannon. It was a great boost. I was, hey! Vito! Haha, laugh it up. Real fun. Come on. Keep it going, buddy!
Are my sponsors happy today?
Stop winning for crying out loud. We're running out of bumper cream to sell.
Lightning McQueen.
Hey, Big Tex, how's my favorite competitor?
Just say the word and I'll boot Cal off the Donico team and replace him with you.
You know I can hear you, right? I'm right here.
Bye, Cal. See you next week. Or not.
Oh, come on now. I'm joking.
Go, little buddy! And big buddy, too!
Another great finish in the making. McQueen and Swift, nose to nose.
How's the view back there, Bobby?
Well, you better not blink. I'll blow right past you.
The flag is out. It's the final stretch. McQueen in the lead.
Okay, let's see what you got.
Woo-wee.
Oh, it's Jackson Storm for the win. A huge upset.
Neither Lightning or Bobby ever saw him coming.
It's one thing to start fast, but we haven't seen anyone cross the line with that kind of speed and power since a young Lightning McQueen first arrived on the scene.
Hey, Bobby, who is that?
That's,